Hi, guys, and welcome to Life Orientation. Today, we'll be discussing strategies to respond to emotions in challenging situations. But before we begin, we need to remember the difference between problem solving and decision making. Problem solving involves finding solutions, whereas decision making is choosing an option from a variety of possible solutions. So you're probably asking yourself, why is it important to have problem solving skills? The thing is, problem solving skills help with everyday decisions. So, in other words, these skills are for life. When we are problem solving, you need to be able to listen and think carefully. Consider all the options and respect other people's opinions and needs. You also need to be able to negotiate and work towards compromising. Let's do a quick recap on the 6 steps to problem solving. Number 1, you need to identify the problem. Number 2, think about why it is a problem. Number 3, brainstorm possible solutions to the problem. Number 4, evaluate the solutions to the problem. Number 5, put the solution into action. And then finally, step number 6, evaluate the outcome of your problem solving process. Have you noticed that we make over several thousand decisions daily? These decisions include what to wear, what to have for breakfast, what to post online, and even who we spend time with. From the moment we wake up, we start making decisions. This is one of the reasons why we struggle to make decisions. But it is not so much as the large number of decisions we have to make that seem scary. It is the chances of deciding to follow the wrong option or choice. The science of decision making. Simply put, our brains have two systems that work together to make a decision. The first system makes quick and automatic responses. So, if for instance somebody asks us, "Hey, what color is that couch over there?" and you could say emerald green, it's because it's in front of you and you immediately know the answer to it. The second system involves more complex problems. This could be more of a mathematical question. Now, when making a decision, both of these systems work together, so we may do tasks with minimal effort. However, we tend to make poor choices if we are feeling exhausted, overthinking, or even overwhelmed. Therefore, we sometimes say or do things we regret in the heat of the moment, or disappoint ourselves for making a horrible decision. When it comes to making decisions in an emotional state, it's important to first pause and assess the situation. This allows your brain enough time to evaluate the current situation so that you may make the right decision, such as you're feeling agitated and might snap at a person. This also allows your mind to think about pros and cons of the choices you're about to make. Remember, do not always trust your gut. Our intuition, also known as our gut feeling, helps us survive when dangerous situations may be present. Avoid trusting this feeling when it comes to chance or circumstances that are 50-50 chance. Chance does not rely on the ability or skill to solve problems. Another thing you can do when you're feeling incredibly overwhelmed is putting it in writing. It has been proven that writing can help us understand our lives better, track our growth, and help make the right decisions. Writing down your feelings can help you gain a different perspective or insight in a situation. A fourth step you can take is by narrowing down your options. It will help you avoid choosing a decision that you may be unhappy about later. Narrowing your options will save you a lot of stress and you'll be much happier, which is always a bonus. You could also get another opinion. Gaining another person's perspective on a matter can help give different insight. It can shine a light we have not even yet seen ourselves. Don't just trust your experience or your gut feeling. Another step you can take is to sleep on it. Getting enough sleep has many benefits, but one of the most important elements is that our brain can analyze information more accurately whilst we are asleep. Feeling refreshed will clear your mind to choose a better option. Remember, it's natural to worry whether or not you may have made the right decision, but look after yourself. Analyze your emotions so that you can manage them better. Our feelings are part of who we are, but they do not control us. Once you understand your body and mind, you will regret less about the decisions you make.